Welcome to the Digital Age Era YouTube channel. On Digital Tech Era, you will find information related to current events in this digital world. The aim of the Digital Age Era is to expose you to the latest technologies and also to provide information technology education in Urdu, where you will not only learn about programming, web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, but you will also learn courses taught in Digital Tech Era will be in simple language. And in a short time, they will tech you what you don't have to struggle for. They will make the topics and things that are difficult to learn easy to access. Stay with us. Know, learn, and understand. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Press the bell icon and turn on notifications.